Opportunity, opportunity, opportunity. When there's a problem, there is certainly an opportunity that we can look into that problem. The whole world is grappling with corona pandemic right now. So India is no exception. India is also struggling with corona pandemic to control the corona pandemic. However, there's a silver lining in India. The silver lining is there's an opportunity for India. There's an opportunity for Indian youth. Because many countries, countries like Japan, countries like South Korea, United States of America, Australia, European countries, they're mulling to shut down their manufacturing bases in China, and they are looking for other countries so to have their manufacturing bases there. And here is an opportunity for India because India got huge population, huge youth population, and there is so much of unemployment in India. And we can use this opportunity to provide employment to the unemployed youth in our country so that we can utilize. And the second thing is, if you look at the growth graph of China, if you look at the way China developed itself as a force to reckon with, China began with manufacturing. It utilized the huge human resource that it got during that time and it started manufacturing. It became a world manufacturing hub and it started exporting the manufactured goods all across the world and thus became the journey of China. And now India also can replace the China's place. It's an opportunity that India got because the demographic dividend that India got right now, that is first thing. And second thing is we need to provide jobs to this demographic dividend. Else this demographic dividend will become Frankenstein monster that would really trouble India, that would bleed India. So it is high time that we have to provide jobs to these people. And one more reason why we need to look seriously into grabbing this opportunity because China rose on manufacturing. At the beginning, China started manufacturing and China has a notorious name that China's goods were substandard during that time. But however, as time went by, China's manufacturing capability improved and the quality of goods that China started producing, they are at par with the global standards. So in the same way, right now China became from manufacturing hub to intellectual hub. The number of papers that the China is publishing, that is first thing. And second thing is the number of patents that China is filing each and every year, surpassing United States of America, Japan, and many other developed countries. So it rose on back of the manufacturing. So this opportunity that came to us, if we can utilize this opportunity, at first let us give employment to as many youth as possible that we have in India. And second thing is we need to utilize, we need to capitalize the manufacturing opportunity that we got. Over it, we need to work towards making a country an intellectual country, making a country a knowledge hub, making a country to reckon with. And for that, we need to have enough money, we need to have enough capital, our economy should be strong. And for that, we need to utilize the manufacturing opportunity that is provided to us because of this corona pandemic. And finally, my dear friends, let us utilize this opportunity. Let us make India a better place. And as I have read the business today, so the opportunities that are there are in mobile sector, electronic sector, medical devices, textiles, and synthetic fabric. So we need to come up with skills that are related to these things. And if we can improve ourselves in these things, I think we can really become a superpower in future. Thank you so much. More power to you. More jobs to you. Thank you.